In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy MetaQuest Pro controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase where you can purchase the Quest Pro controllers with the best price possible and receive them quickly. Keep in mind that in the description and the comment section of this video, you will be able to find a link that will redirect you into the website where you can officially purchase them. So after you are done watching this, just use the link in the description or the comment section to be redirected. So the website and the place where you can purchase them is meta.com. In here, hover over MetaQuest and go to accessories. You will be able to browse through all of the controllers that they have, including the MetaQuest Touch Pro controllers. So make sure that you filter the product type to controllers and you will find them here. So as you can see, you can purchase the left and right controller together, which is a bundle that also includes the charging dock for $250 US, or you can purchase them as replacement parts, so only the left controller or only the right controller for $150 each. So if you purchase the bundle that costs $250, you will receive both controllers, the charging dock, then a Pro style tips, and then some extra cables, and they are going to work with the Quest 2, Quest 3, and the Quest Pro. So all that you have to do is add to your bag and buy here. And of course, if you purchase the replacement parts, you will receive a specific side of the controller, and it is going to be compatible with the same headsets. And then in this case, it is not going to include the charging dock, so only the controller, lanyard, and then the stylus tip. So make sure that you purchase the bundle if you don't need only one replacement part. And as long as you add to your bag and purchase it from the official website, you will get the best price possible and receive it as quickly as possible as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Quest Pro controllers. Use the link in the description and the comment section of this video to find the website where you can purchase them. I hope I was able to help you. Thank you for watching.